Hi everyone, welcome to Cypress tutorial. Today, this tutorial we will learn how to handle checkboxes in Cypress. Checkboxes are an important part of web forms and automating them correctly ensures better test coverage. We will go through how to check, uncheck and verify the state of checkboxes. So let's begin. Create a new test file. Right click, new file and then enter the file name handling handling checks dot sci dot checks. Now copy this part and click here. First, we need to navigate to this URL. After navigating to this URL, we need to mark these checkboxes. First, copy is complete URL and paste it. Let's set this file and run the test whether it's working or not. Cypress npx Cypress open. This is command for opening the Cypress. Now Cypress will open. Then we need to select end-to-end testing. First, select the configure. Click on configured. After clicking on configure, we can select the browser there. For now, click on Chrome and then click on start E2E testing. After selecting the browser, we need to select here our test file and the test file name here. Make sure this test file is saved so we can view test file here. Scroll down here and here handling underscore checkbox. Click on this. It will navigate to the URL. Test is running and open this website. After visiting this website, we need to mark this checkbox. For marking this checkbox, I need to remove this here. Now, this is our checkbox. So this is for visiting the website and we need to handle the checkbox. So our test is handle checkbox in Cypress. Now, after visiting to this website, we need to look at this element. Right click here and inspect. After inspecting, scroll down here and here you can view ID is available. We can use this ID for locating this element. Sci dot get comma and then enter the ID. We need to mark this checkbox, so here we can use dot check. Let's save this file and see what happens. As you can view this checkbox marked successfully, same as well we can use the assert for verifying whether this checkbox is marked or not. So here we can use dot you should be dot checked. Here we add the assert. We can move to this line for better reading. Now save this test file and use. Here you can view assert expected and to be checked. Yes, it is marked. Same as well, we can mark the second checkbox. Right click here, inspect, and here ID is available. We can use this ID for locating the second checkbox. Side dot get. This is the chain command, and here enter the ID, comma, and queues dot check. And we need to assert whether this checkbox is selected or not, so we can use dot should be dot check. Set this test file and the Cypress will automatically run the test. Here you can view all checkboxes has been marked. We can run again our test case by clicking this on all test. Now I will show you how you can uncheck the checkbox and verify whether this checkbox is unchecked by assert command. Open VS Code, and here first we mark the checkbox and the second checkbox is unchecked by using uncheck command, and we need to verify whether this checkbox is unchecked. So here we use assert dot should and remove this not dot be dot checked. Now first equal mark the first checkbox and verify the second checkbox is unchecked. Save this test file and the test is automatically run. And here you can view mark first checkbox and the second checkbox is unchecked. Here same as well, we can view check assert and this is the second assert for uncheck checkbox. That's all for today's tutorial on handling checkboxes in Cypress. We covered how to check, uncheck, and verify checkboxes using simple Cypress command. I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, make sure to hit like the button and share it with others and subscribe to SQ for more testing tutorials. See you in the next video.